Hi there. If you're watching this on YouTube, or you're wanting to watch any of my content on my channel, or both for that matter, I would strongly recommend hitting the subscribe button and comment and like on any videos if you may wish, because this is a general audience channel. Also, this video is not made for kids, it is for older fans and adults alike. So please sit back and enjoy the video.
Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Disney Pixar Cars diecast review. Today we're going to take a look at Dan Carcia, the next-gen gaskets piston cup racer number 80 from Cars 3 in a glowracers variant. Before we get right into the review retrospective of an unboxing, I have an announcement to make. Although I've obtained this version of Dan Carcia, along with the glowracers Ryan inside Laney from Meyer 2 days ago, I'm still not sure if my next car from eBay is going to be one of the two Gaskets Racers, Rex Reveler, or the normal Dan Carcia, or whichever comes first, or both for that matter. I just can't be specific about it because I cannot tell for sure, given that I have short-term memory loss sometimes. But either way, I'll believe it when I see it. And now, without any further ado, let's take a look at his package. Here we've got the Cars logo, glowracers logo, glows in the dark, the glow race background, and we have Lightning McQueen in his artwork for Cars 3, in his 2016 Rusty's logo for the 2016 Piston Cup season from the beginning of Cars 3. I mean, I don't get it. I mean, why can't they just use Lightning McQueen in his 2017 Rusty's paint job for the glowracers series? I clearly don't understand why. But anyhow, here we've got his 95 on a yellow lightning bolt and the 2016 Rusty's logo and racing tires and lightning bolt stickers and headlights glowing. We have Dan Carcia's diecast sealed in, and his name Dan Carcia, metal logo, Mattel logo. And on the back we have the glowracers logo, Cars logo, glow race background, glows in the dark, and the cars on the back, cars featured on the back are Ryan inside Laney, who I recorded yesterday, Chase Racelot, Lightning McQueen, and Fillmore, which 3 out of 4, or which I don't have, are Chase Racelot, Lightning McQueen, and Fillmore themselves. Disney/Pixar, Volkswagen AG, which is copyrighted, www.disney.com/cars, Mattel, and apparently the next generation through Play. And now, without any further ado, let's get him unboxed. Here we have Dan Carcia in his glowracers variant, all opened up and out of the package. In the Cars book, Glowracers, Dan Carcia was one of the racers to participate in the glow race at Copper Canyon Speedway. Although he was featured, Dan never had any speaking lines in the story. And during his diecast releases, his glowracers variant was only released one time as a single. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the review. Here we've got his grumpy, angry facial expression, his dark blue exterior paintwork, working headlights, black grille, and on the hood we've got a letter G in yellow on a blackish blue circle and a yellow background on the hood. And on the back we've got the gaskits logo, gas cap, yellow number 80, blackish blue background, yellow number 80, yellow stripe, exhaust pipes, yellow at the bottom, and a blue arrow for a pity to lift him up. A few logos say pistoncup, combustor, carburetor, and synergy. And blue rims on the yellow racing tires. And on the top we've got a yellow stripe and a shape of a letter C. And a blackish blue number 80, blackish blue background, and of course no name signature. And on the top back we have the bit of yellow, and on the spoiler we have the light blue background and the gaskets logo in yellow with yellow on both sides of the spoiler and on the back as well. And on the back side we got the orange rookie stripes showing that Dan Carcia is a rookie, yellow letter G, and the black kit and 2 shades of blue background, gaskets logo, yellow number 80, working red taillights, the exhaust pipes at the very back. And on the undercarriage we have Mattel, Disney/Pixar, made in Thailand. And now let's pull up some of the other Glow Racer Ryan inside Laney. So what do you guys think? Which Glow Racer is your favorite? For me, mine's personally Lightning McQueen, even though, despite that I don't have him in a Glow Racers variant. Which Glow Racer do you wish for me to obtain next? And which car from eBay do you wish to arrive from eBay? Is it one of the 2 Gaskets Racers, Rex Revler, or regular Dan Carcia, or whichever comes first, or both for that matter, or the Lightning McQueen with shovel? Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for another review, so please stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching. Goodbye now!